Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix when keeps updating on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, go back to home screen. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix when keeps updating on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.